Well, we didn't get the smallie catch on film. The GoPro always decides to turn off, but you know what? That's all right. Man, that was epic. That was so cool. There's the little culprit, that little smallie. This bait's epic. Oh. All right, let's see if we can catch one on film. Alright guys, let's see if we can catch us another smallie. We got that first one, but it wasn't on film. I'm doing it for you, YouTube. I'm about to get it. I'm about to catch you another one. Here we go, baby. Come on, smallie. There's gotta be another one in there. This is where they're hanging. Perfect cast. Bait's not tangled on itself. Its movement and presentation is pretty epic. Come on. Whew, that smallmouth was epic. Ah. Oh yeah, baby. Come on. We're on again. Woohoo! What is it? A smallie? Can it be another smallie? Could it be? Oh, what is it? Come on, baby. Don't come off. Easy. Oh, it's another smallie. No way. We've done it. We've called it. It's a different one, I think. We did it again, guys. We called it. That's for you, YouTube. Yeah, baby. All right, let's see if the GoPro was recording. All right, there we go. All right, we got this beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. Beauty. Wow. let's give this guy a proper release. Thank you, buddy. Beautiful fish. Here we go. Alright, here we go, buddy. There he goes. All right,